Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Learning Together with Robert. If this is your first time visiting me, thank you for being here. And if you're back, thank you very much for your support, because without it, this wouldn't make any sense. If you haven't subscribed, why not do it now and give us a like? Those of you who have already been here, you can fast forward to the main part of the video. I just want to welcome our new visitors. I'm Robert Martinez, and I have been an English teacher since 1994 and a teacher educator and language assessment specialist for almost 20 years now. It's been an incredible journey, having lived and worked in 9 different countries. I'm a self-tutor and assessor, online moderator, a full-time director of studies, and tutor on the IHCYLT course teaching English to young learners and teenagers, and I enjoy being in the classroom both face-to-face and online. If you want to know more about my professional background, experience, and qualifications, I've put a link to my LinkedIn profile and a link to a video cartoon version of my CV to jazz things up in the description box below. Feel free to check them out. Hi there. Today I want to tell you about the European Framework for the Digital Competence of Educators, DigComPEdu, and more specifically about professional development. In the realm of digital competence for educators, professional engagement plays a crucial role in fostering innovation and collaboration within the educational community. Imagine a world where educators use digital technologies to collaborate with peers, share valuable insights, and collectively innovate pedagogical practices, from enhancing communication to actively contributing to professional development. Educators at different levels of expertise within the professional engagement realm of the DigComPEdu framework can leverage digital tools to enrich their teaching strategies and empower their students. As a newcomer, we would be making little use of digital technologies for communication and for collaboration, while being unsure about one's development needs, and making little use of the internet for updating knowledge. As an explorer, we start being aware and making basic use of digital technologies for communication and for collaboration. We also become aware of our development needs and start using the internet for updating knowledge. As an integrator, we're now using digital technologies for communication in an effective and responsible way, and to share and exchange practice. We are also using experimentation and peer learning as a source for development, where the internet is used to identify opportunities for professional development. As an expert, we are now using digital technologies for communication in a structured and responsible way, and for collaborative knowledge construction. We are also using a range of resources to develop our individual digital and pedagogical practices and exploring online CPD opportunities. As we reach the higher levels of the framework, the leader level, we are now able to evaluate and discuss communication strategies. We are using digital technologies for reflecting on and enhancing practices and competences, as well as collaboratively reflecting on and enhancing pedagogic practice in general. We're also critically and strategically using the internet for CPD. Finally, at the highest level of digital competence proficiency, Pioneer, we are reflecting on and redesigning communication strategies using digital technologies to facilitate and innovate practice, innovating educational policies and practices, and using the internet to provide CPD to our peers. By reflecting on our digital pedagogical practices, we can critically assess our methods, adapt to new technologies, and drive positive change within our educational communities. Professional engagement through digital technologies is not just a concept, it's a transformative approach to education that empowers educators to shape the future of learning. Well, we've come to the end, but I will be sharing more exciting videos, so stay tuned and subscribe. Do let me know in the comments box if you have any special requests, and I'll try to make a video about them if there are enough of you commenting. Do share this video with your friends, and can I ask you a favor? Hit that like button so that more people can see this video. Bye for now, and remember, learning is fun and you don't have to do it alone. So let's do it together with Robert.